Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. And today I have come up with red amaranthus curry or Bhajjiyae ambatti. Now, this is usually served as a side dish along with rice, raw mango, jackfruit seeds, grated coconut, curd, or other ingredients. It is simple and easy to prepare dish with gravy, and I have not used any onion and garlic in the preparation of this curry. So you need one bunch of handful of red amaranthus, 2 to 3 jackfruit seeds, 2 to 3 mangoes cut into pieces depending on the sourness, half cup of curd. For grinding you need 1/4 cup grated coconut, 2 to 3 red chilies as per your spiciness level. For seasoning you need mustard seeds, jeera, cumin seeds, curry leaves and coconut oil for seasoning. So these are the various ingredients that you require for the preparation of the dish. Wash and cut the amaranthus into small pieces and keep aside. Pressure cook the jackfruit seeds. I usually pressure cook them to save time. You can even add it along with the amaranthus while cooking. And while cooking the amaranthus, you can add the jackfruit seeds along with that. But I pressure cook it so that it saves a lot of time for me. Meantime, transfer the cut amaranthus mango cubes into a vessel, add salt and sufficient water and let it cook for some time. Once cooked, add the cooked jackfruit seeds and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, grind coconut, red chilies to a smooth paste and add this paste to the cooked amaranthus in the vessel and mix well. Leave it to boil on medium flame. Then add curd and mix well. Keep on low flame for a few seconds. Then you have to do the seasoning. To add oil, you use coconut oil. Add the mustard seeds. When they splutter, add jeera, cumin seeds followed by curry leaves and pour the seasoning over the curry. Your red amaranthus curry or Bhajjiyae ambatti is ready to be served. Serve it along with rice. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. In this channel, I will be discussing most of the recipes that are prepared by Kerala GSB Konkanis in South Kerala. Please keep watching my channel regularly.